You need a tactical pant when you go for law enforcement, military use, hunting, and other outdoor activities. There are many products available to choose tactical pants, each with different characteristic, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tactical pants from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 5.11 Tactical Men's Tac Light Pro Lightweight Performance Pants. Although technically a pair of work pants, the 5.11 Tac Light Pros provide the best value in terms of cost, usage, and flexibility. They are therefore best suited for obvious use rather than uniform wear. They were strongly recommended by my acquaintance, a seasoned reviewer who runs the gear site Uncle Zoe. He has been on multiple hunting trips and has received guns instruction. The trousers' durability is enhanced by their 8 pockets, large belt loops, gusseted crotch, additional bardack stitching in tear-prone locations, and trademark Tac-Lite ripstop fabric. Number 2. Verdict's Cutback Technical Pant. Verdict's Cutback Technical Pants are as tactical as they get. Out of all the ones I've tried, they are my personal favorite tactical trousers for teaching range classes. They are lightweight, breathable, and have more pockets than I know what to do with. I've been able to stretch mine more than I ever have with any other pair of pants without damaging them. They have a great deal of stretch and are highly mobile, since I have been able to teach all day in the sun with little heat retention. These are fantastic in warm weather but a pain in the winter. I still wear them throughout the cooler months with some long underwear underneath, even if they are not particularly warm on their own. This is because they are quite water resistant. Number 3. PR Ona Men's Stretch Zion Pant. The PR Ona Zion trousers are strong, abrasion resistant, and provide a full range of motion because they were made with rock climbing in mind. They lack some of the features and pockets of certain other alternatives, but they also lack the locker-like aspect of SWAT gear. So if you want more stylish pants without compromising agility, these will work well. These are a great option for outdoor activities, range use, and tactical break time because they come in a variety of outdoorsy colors and a wide fitting while maintaining their strength and flexibility. Number 4. La Police Gear Men's Tactical Pant. These tactical pants from La Police are constructed of 65% polyester and 35% cotton ripstop and have a lightweight fabric construction. The large pockets on the enormous, included tactical cargo trousers allow you to easily access all of your belongings and enable you to get what you need when you need it. The fully gusseted crotch and the articulated accents around the knees further provide more movement. Due to the YKK airport-friendly zipper on La Police Gear's pants, you may wear them whilst flying. The waistline includes some noticeable pleats, so keep that in mind. If you wear your shirt frequently, you could find that the pleats get a touch scratchy when you move around or work out. Number 5. AKARMY Men's Outdoor Military Tactical Pants. Dark greens, softer yellows, and various tones are just a few of the camouflage hues that are available in AKARMY's tactical trousers. You may efficiently hide yourself by wearing these colors. The finest covert tactical trousers we tested are also available in the traditional khaki, green, blue, or black hues. We value the design's sturdiness and resilience to wear and scrapes, together with the adjustable Velcro at the knees and ankles. The knee pad insert option is available on the top tactical pants with knee pads. Some users have noticed breakage, but not enough for us to remove it from our top picks. We only wish the stitching was a little bit stronger.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information PF, if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.